Aave has become famous as one of the main conventions for decentralized crypto advances over time. Aave has laid down a good foundation for itself as a powerful stage that is ceaselessly refreshed and improved. Through different administrations, Aave's clients might get and loan an assortment of cryptographic forms of money. Aave is one of the 6 biggest decentralized finance (DeFi) drives, as per DeFi Llama, because of numerous money lenders securing in their coin. Holders of the Aave token get decreased stage costs and may likewise involve it as an administration token. What is Aave? Aave? Businessperson Stani Kulikov decided to make his own advance application in 2017 when there weren't any on Ethereum. To empower individuals to loan and get Ether, ETHLend was created, ETH. In any case, when the task ventured into a few digital forms of money, the moniker was as of now not fitting. In September 2018, Kulikov changed the venture's name to Aave. In English, the Finnish expression Aave, and that signifies apparition, represents the stage's objective of fostering an open, straightforward foundation for decentralized banking, DeFi. By offering interest, Aave urges its clients to get digital money into liquidity pools. Borrowers can leave the pool, yet a greater measure of security is required. All in all, over-collateralization is the giving of guarantee that is more significant than imminent misfortunes in default circumstances. You might acquire cash from Aave without giving any security. Clients can get a digital money through a Blaze credit, which should be reimbursed inside a block. With a Blaze credit, borrowers might exploit the different valuing being given at different trades. To make this system as speedy and straightforward as could be expected, the token was made. Proprietors of Aave might decide on convention changes, including those influencing the guidelines administering the business sectors and how hold monies are dealt with. Aave, Aave, key examination. Stani Kulikov laid out the Swiss firm Aave in 2017, under the moniker ETHLend. The organization sold 1 billion Aave, recently known as Loan, in an eco that gathered about $16.2 million. For the Aave group, the leftover 300 million Aave units were kept. Aave is constrained by a decentralized organization of PCs utilizing brilliant agreements over Ethereum blockchain. The essential usefulness of the Aave stage is the formation of a loaning pool that empowers clients to loan and get different digital currencies. The borrower stores the resources they wish to loan, and the resources are a short time later conveyed to a pool from which they can get a credit. Aave has sent off 2 particular kinds of tokens to make this methodology significantly less difficult. The banks were given tokens to gather revenue on stores. The local badge of the stage is a Aave token. Holders of Aave tokens have additional advantages, for example, the capacity to get cash without being charged an expense, and to get cash with lower costs and a higher credit limit in the event that they promise Aave as guarantee. Aave, then again, empowers street credits, which might be allowed immediately and paid with the requirement for insurance. Aave, Aave, current cost. Aave is presently worth $75.43. Aave has moved -6.00% as of now with an exchanging volume of $94,065,789. Aave is presently positioned 47 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,075,388,423. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Aave, Aave, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Aave, Aave, value expectation 2022. Aave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Aave. The Aave cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $113.15. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. averaging $105.60, and cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Aave is supposed to have a base worth of $90.52. Aave, AAVE, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Aave cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Aave will before long outperform $188.58. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Aave's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Aave will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $150.86 and a typical exchanging cost of $165.95. Aave, AAVE, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $264.01 and Aave might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Aave is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $241.38 and a low of $226.29 in 2024. Aave, AAVE, Value Forecast 2025. Assuming Aave effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Aave coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Aave will be green in 2025. The Aave is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $339.44, with a base cost of $301.72 and a typical cost of $316.81. Aave, AAVE, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Aave cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $392.24 by 2026, with a base cost of $377.15 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Aave has a most extreme value worth of $414.87. Aave, AAVE, Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $467.67. In the event that Aave figures out how to break the safe level in 2027,